Chibai ule ka chenela ka lo lom le acheu hei vo in lam chu USA Polise Officer te hoina Naupanh te ho ta na Naupanh ho ta na safety CD training kan ti live video then khate ka lo da don na tuna kan mong hian Naupanh ho hi an helmet tura sticker an du zong ta kan belt tir hai hian na cha kan thria ka ti em ma chan chu heng Naupanh thei preschool kal lai chau an na ni a le khan la chiar chiam lo an ming han je sak ma sen thredon lo wang khanin an du zong ta khan an helmet an han chaya I helmet wala rolen ti huna an du dana an chaya tang an thria thiam thaina dura an ti nia a tha ka ti reu khop mai kai lo thlir tang ang u
Like a hamster? You like this one?
All decorating your helmet. I saw you put some beautiful stickers on it. And it's really important when you get on your bike and you ride. This goes on first. You certainly have your helmet on first. And when you put it on, you want to make certain it's on tight in the right way. Okay? This one, I'm borrowing. Fingers like this. Stick 2 fingers out like this. Yep, and then put them right here on your forehead. Very good. So when you put on your helmet, that's where your 2 fingers should be. And then you're going to click it. Now this one's not mine, so I don't...
Yuri, te lo phel pui ro le kami kha
Tricky, isn't it? There you go.
Remember the stop sign right here?
You see the stop sign? If you see the stop sign, yay, good job. Oh, Anna, you didn't stop on the stop sign. What is this sign? Stop mean stop for a while, then you can continue. Okay. Now let kal le ro le ikal thai to. Naupang hi tum khatan som pathum ai tami an ti thai lawa chu vai hami tum hian som pathum kan naya bai nei ain dei lo vai attend in bai chu an practice lai attend chu tian an lo in fiam pui boka ti khan an in chok ani. Who's that guy? Who's that guy here? Who's that guy? Oh, looks good. Okay. Oh, strong. Ooh, okay. Anna, what are you right now?
Fire.
You firefighter? Okay. What about you? Police? Are you? Tikanin cycle chuan dan safety rule te helmet atai dan tur adjust dot dan tur te le street sign chair dan te kan han zir tira kaminu kanin pon na mangan han kalpuya he school bus chunga safety te kan zir pui le dona school an chuan chuan bus an chuan don an kal huna bus an chuan don awang khanin bus chuan an ready a safety rule and no ria savek thai na turin hei bus chunga an han throi na kan han chuan pui le don ani.
Step, we need to make sure we're holding onto the handrail as we're getting up, okay? Okay? What can happen if we don't hold the handrail? We're going to fall down, right? We don't want to fall down, right? So, as you board the bus, come on up, hold the handrail. Come up. Hold the handrail as you're going up. Handrail as you go up. There you go. Right. Now that we're on the school bus, we need to remember a couple important things. Why do we always stay seated on the bus? Yeah, why?
Yeah.
Because if we're standing up, what's going to happen if the bus has to stop fast? Alright, you're going to come flying out.
Tikan bus kan han chuan pui nuwa chung lama kan in chunga thil bung ruwa tur kan ta na poi thai turang chi te kha video le lem jiak te mangin ti hanin khoi tur le khoi lo tu ten la hian nu lem pat na na ha kan Run, 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 run. Yay, good job. Good job, good job. Woohoo.
we know about how long, how much time we have in there before we have to get out because we're going to run. Yeah. I think you got to come on in.
Okay.
I can
Yep.
get back down.
No, yeah, you look bit. Nang nula.
That was from
Oh, they are sitting. Okay.
That's all right. So if you ever get lost, you call 911 and we can have an officer come and help you find your way home. If somebody's hurt, you call 911.
Hey, về thung chú mi đâm lâu te om ta se nấu bằng ăn màn yên kong te bao ta se 911 call poi mo dan tele 911 an call team thai na tura practice na te ne.
One more time. Good job. You called 911. That's awesome. Anybody else want to drive? Yeah?
Yeah.
And make fingerprints glow in the dark. Like that.
Oh.
What do we think? Really neat? And then other neat things we can do. We can find fingerprints on plastic. Do you see any fingerprints on my piece of plastic? No? Should we try to find some together? Ostrich feathers. We use ostrich feathers because they're waterproof. So when I put black powder on here and put it on my piece of plastic, do you see fingerprints now? Yeah. So this is how we would find the bad guys. Does that make sense? What do we think? Do you want to pass it around? They can look at it. Yeah, that's totally fine. Here you go. Lightly touch it. Now take a look. What do you think? Really cool, huh? And then we are just going to lightly put it right here on my paper. And that's your fingerprint. Does that make sense? All right, let's do your pointer finger next.
Okay, well, even if you know how to swim, that's awesome. I want to encourage everybody to do swimming lessons this summer, and I know, and you can let them know if there are financial issues. They have $5 swimming lessons from the city this summer. The local community.
Anybody?
No.
My radio, right? I'll turn it on and maybe you'll hear something.
Police 1. Police dispatch.
That's my radio. That's how dispatch gets a hold of me. Remember when you called 911? Right? They tell me where to go so I can come help you. Anybody know what these things are? You've been playing with these. Anybody know? Richard? What are they? Are they handcuffs? Yes. Why do you think I have two? Why do I have two sets of handcuffs?
Catch the bad guy.
What if there's two bad guys?
How many people do you think it takes to get in a fight? At least two, right? If Richard is fighting with himself, we're just going to let him figure it out, right?
Right? Because they can't get their arms around the back.
Oh yeah, yeah, makes sense.
Because, can I poke Officer Brooklyn in the nose if my hands are back here?
Nope.
No, but sometimes if I want somebody to go with me and they don't want to go with me, they might try and poke me in the nose. But if I get their hands back here, then they can't poke me in the nose and my face stays the way that my mom likes it.
What about this guy? Anybody know what this is?
Spray.
Spray.
Is there a, with the, a lot of people use sriracha sauce, is there a hot sauce? Yeah, is there a hot sauce that you guys cook with?
It's really spicy.
It's really spicy? Is there a name for it, like a brand name? Or?
No, I think we just call it like pepper sauce. That's all, like, yeah.
It's like pepper sauce. You can eat it. I can't eat it because I'm a wussy, but.
Gets in your eye, and it makes you cry, and it makes your nose run, right? It's really bad.
And can I poke her in the nose if I can't see her?
No?
Anybody know what this is?
Gun. Oh, no.
Is it a gun?
No.
Is that what we just talked about?
Is that what did we touch it? Do we touch a gun? No. Do we go up to an officer and touch the gun? At all? Do we touch any of it? No. No. It's called a tourniquet. So let's say somebody gets hurt or shot, right?
Or cut,
Or cut, or in a car accident. We have life-saving equipment we can put on them, right? What about this guy? You know what this is? What's it called? What's it called? Anybody know? Sean, you know what this is called? Mary? Henry? Stacy? Anybody? It's my vest, right? So let Officer Trudy come over here a second. See how mine is on the outside, right? Mine's on the outside. And hers is on the inside. Listen.
Okay.
Right? It's called a bulletproof vest, so it protects us, right? So if somebody tries to hurt us really bad with a weapon, it'll keep it from going through to our chest to protect us. I don't have this anymore. What do you think this thing's called? What is this? Anybody know what this is? It's an aspeton, right? Yeah, it's an aspeton. See your little thing on that thing? Okay. So let's say somebody's in a car accident, right? We can knock out the window with this. Anybody want to touch this?
It's kind of pokey, but
It's kind of pokey. It won't hurt you. You want to touch it?
She does not.
No. Anybody? Touch? I knew Ethel would touch it.
So we
Anybody
can
else?
break windows.
break
I
windows.
use it to keep dogs from biting me.
Break windows. Anybody else? Henry?
But yeah, if somebody gets
Yeah.
sick and they're
I want to try
You want
too.
to touch
we
it?
may not be
Yeah,
able to
oh,
get
okay.
it out of them if we can't break the window out.
You want to try it? No? Richard? John? Anybody know what this is called?
Cheese.
It's called a taser. So, have you ever played freeze tag? No?
I call it my Elsa gun. Do you know Elsa from Frozen? Do you know Princess Elsa? So if Officer Brooklyn were to zap me with her Elsa gun, I am frozen in place for 5 whole seconds. And it gives her a chance to get those handcuffs on when I can't move and I can't poke her in the nose. A lot of what we do is to keep from getting poked in the nose.
And what about these things? These are my bullets, right? Extra bullets for my gun. Because what if I run out of bullets in here? Right? I might need extra to win in the gunfight, right? So, what about this guy? What's this thing? It's a knife, right? Why do you think we carry a knife?
Remember those
Remember the
seatbelts
seatbelt?
that we talk about?
What if somebody gets in a car accident and we have to cut them out, right? Or sometimes we have to open up doors. It's a camera, right? So you know how mommy and daddy have smartphones? They have phones. Everything's always getting recorded. So you push this little button and it starts recording.
I have cameras in my house.
You have cameras on your house? A lot of people have cameras on their house now.
So anytime we're out in the public,
You have cameras?
you guys want to see how heavy these vests are?
Oh yeah.
You can even put it on if you want, just to see how hard it is to sit. I mean, like, set it on the shoulder.
Anybody want to feel
Want
it?
to see how heavy it is? John, Ethelbert's here. Come. You guys are usually the ones that do.
John, yeah, try.
How heavy that is.
Oh, you want to try it on? Oh.
That weighs about as much as you.
Ew.
Here you go, Mary.
Oh.
Anybody else?
Julie, you want to try?
Thank you. What do you think?
That's a lot, isn't it? Is that like carrying one of your siblings around? Monica, you want to try?
Is it heavy?
Okay, Monica, about the left.
Is it heavy?
Oh, okay, Monica, try me. Yeah, Paw Patrol.
No, it's not Aaron.
Ooh.
Chase. You guys want to come up and meet Chase and say hello? Yeah? Do you remember Chase from Paw Patrol? He's picture taken with Chase?
Yep. Come on, go ahead, and give her a hug and take a pictures. Oh no.
One at a time, or you can do a group. You can do both.
Approach a dog so you're not scared of them. So one of the things, if you were just walking down the street and you saw somebody walking their dog, let's say just a little cute little fluffy dog, and you think that, oh, I just want to pet it because it looks like a little stuffed animal. What do you think you should do? Do you know how you should approach a dog? So you could ask the owner, say, hey, can I pet your dog? And they may say yes, or they may say no. But you should never try to touch a dog without asking the owner if it's okay to touch it, because sometimes dogs don't know you, so they don't.
Oh, Monica.
Oh!
24 class. All right, I'd like to introduce some folks before we begin our presentation today. I would like to introduce our command staff over here. We have Captain Bagby, we have Major Miller, Major McTaggart, and of course Chief Winger. We're all excited to be here today for our graduation. I would like to also have a special thank you to the Embark members that helped us this week. We had Grace Lee, Yuri, Iris, and Milani. Embark has been wonderful, helped us put this whole program together, and then has volunteered and translated throughout the week. I pledge allegiance.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag.
to the flag
Of the United States of America.
Good job, Julie. Good.
Others safe.
I can keep myself and others safe
Each and every day.
each and every day.
I can follow rules and obey laws.
I can follow rules and obey laws
At school and when I play.
at school and when I play.
I can stop, look, and listen
I can stop, look, and listen
when I cross the street.
when I cross the street.
I can wear my helmet on my head
I can wear my helmet on my head
and buckle up my seat.
and buckle up my seat.
I call 911 when I need help
I call 911 when I need help
or in an emergency.
or in an emergency.
I'm a superhero safety kid.
I'm a superhero safety kid. Woo.
Just you wait and see.
Just you wait and see.
That was
Yay.
awesome.